All right, guys, we left off here last time talking about conduction, convection, and radiation. So we are going to move on to talking about where does the heat come from? So sometimes there's other forms of energy change that can actually give off heat. It's not always just conduction, convection, or radiation. Fossil fuels are also helpful to heat things. So fossil fuels are a really good source of heat. We've got coal, natural gas, and oil that are all fossil fuels that we use all the time. When those fossil fuels are burned, they give off that heat, and most people turn around and they use that heat to heat their homes, schools, and any other kinds of buildings too. And then we've got light to heat. Now this is going to be a little bit of review from last chapter, because in the last chapter when we were talking about light energy, we talked about how sometimes that light energy can transfer or convert to heat energy. So this is going to be kind of a review, but we're going to touch on a couple different things. So objects that are black absorb all the colors of visible light. And we talked about that last week when you're wearing darker colors outside and it absorbs all those colors and then it changes into that form of thermal energy, and that's why you feel hot. So when the light is absorbed, it becomes a form of heat. Laser light also produces a great deal of heat. Doctors use lasers sometimes in different procedures. Lasers are often used to cut, drill, and bond materials. So a lot of machinists and machine shops use lasers to cut through thicker materials or bond those thicker materials together as well. And then the sun's energy, as we know, can also change to heat, because we feel that when we go outside and the sun is shining. Even if it's cold outside, we can still feel that sun when it hits our skin, right? Exactly. All right, and then the last thing we're going to talk about is friction to heat. So rub your hands together really quick, like this. Rub them together really, 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 really fast, not slow, really, really fast. Okay? Do you feel your hands getting warm? Yeah, me too. Mine are like, ooh, hot, kind of burning now. That's an effect of friction. So when you rub your hands together like this, that is friction. Friction just occurs when two surfaces rub together. And as a result of friction, heat is produced. So I know I've seen some people do it in class. You take a pencil eraser and you rub it on your hand real fast. I don't know why y'all do it. It hurts really bad, but you do it anyways. I've seen several students do it already. And in the years past, I don't know why y'all just like to rub the erasers on your skin. But you know, you do that and then your hand feels hot right there. That is friction as well, because you're just rubbing that eraser onto your skin. Surface, surface, rubbing them together creates friction. All right, and like I said, as a result of friction, heat is produced. All righty, so that was our quick lesson for today. That is going to sum up all of lesson 4 for the week. Just remember that you will still have some assignments to do throughout the week, and you do have a quiz on Friday. So make sure if you need to before then, you come back to these lessons as a quick review and refresher before you take those quizzes. Please make sure that you are still checking your folders every single day for those assignments. All right, y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you here on your screen next week.